everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about a text to speech software which has just been released. It is a very good software which you can use to do your text to speech. The sounds or the voices which are in this application, in this software, they are very good. They really sound like a human being is speaking. Without taking much of your time, let me try to show you some 2 or 3 things. The first thing you have to do is to go to VoiceMaker, voicemaker.in. Yeah, there is voicemaker.in here. Yeah, sure. So when you come to this site, to the voicemaker.in, this is their homepage, and you can come and check the voices which are there. Okay, we can start with writing some text. I'll just paste some text which I already did somewhere, and let's hear the voices. We start with Joanna female, and IA engine, artificial intelligence engine, is standard. So we'll change to neural to see how they differ. So let's start and see what we're getting.
My name is Gracious. I'm checking out VoiceMaker features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great video uploads.
Okay, so that is Joanna, but in a standard. Yeah, so we go to neural and see what we are getting out of it.
My name is Gracious. I'm checking out VoiceMaker features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great video uploads.
That one is I, the female, but we need to hear Joanna. Yeah, so let's convert again and see.
My name is Gracious. I'm checking out VoiceMaker features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great video uploads.
Yeah, it sounds great. More like a human being is speaking. So let's check out another one. Go to Matthew Male, and let's convert and hear.
My name is Gracious. I'm checking out VoiceMaker features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great video uploads.
Yeah, it sounds great. You can, anytime you want, you can come and check and hear the voices and see what you can do. Maybe you can choose any one of these, but in my opinion, these are very great. If you want to go to other languages, there is Arabic, the Chinese, many Danish. You go to English, British. You can go to Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Hindi in India. Okay, so that's it about the languages. You can come and do whatever you want with the languages, but I also want to show you some few stuff. You can come here to change the voice volume, the way you want it to sound. You can come here to change the speed, and you can come also here to change the voice effects. Yeah, so we get a lot. So let's log in and see what we get inside. Okay, before we log in, let's check the prices. Yeah, so for the prices, there are three plans. The other one is free, the second one is basic, the third one is premium. So when you come to the free one, you get always up to 300 characters per convict. They give you 300 characters to make one convent. There is unlimited converts. There's 400 characters. You can do up to as many as you want. And there is also dedicated support. Once you have a problem, you have to go and talk to them like, hey, there is this other problem I'm facing on this website. So help me. They'll help you. On the basic plan, what you get is up to 3,000 characters per convert. Unlimited converts. Guys, this is great. You need to come and check it out. You need to come and check it out. Yeah, but you can still stick to the free plan, which is also great. You just need to make many converts to reach maybe you know how long you want it to be. But for me, I have I already upgraded to this plan of basic, so it is great. You're given some additional features that you can use on your projects. And the third one is premium. It has up to 3,000 characters per convict, unlimited converts, 500 plus AI voices, and it supports all voices including premium and AI, artificial intelligence 3. So you get all this file history smart editor which is coming. This software is still under construction, but you can do a lot with it. So it is $8, while the basic one is $5 per month. So this is great. So what you can do with a VoiceMaker, audiobook, podcast creation, per pack you get up to 1,000 characters per convert, 1 million characters pack, cloud save, you can save it to the cloud. It supports SSML, very advanced smart editor, personal and commercial use, dedicated support. So these are coming. They are still under construction, but I think you have to come and check it out. So if you want to register, you just have to come here. So wait until it loads here. So as we already checked out voices, yeah. My internet is very slow here, but anyway, you can come and check it out at your own time. You come and register here, and you can do a lot with it. Okay, thank you for checking out my video. See you in the next video.